So, yes, you need the factory, you need the jobs, etc., but you don't need the pollution coming out of the factory. So you need to create something that is environmentally friendly, but that generates both the economic growth, the items required, and the jobs for the workers. This is the kind of sustainable development that is the goal of every country today. And we must also head in that direction. When it comes to mining, there are obvious needs for mining in many parts of the country. The specific circumstances of the Aravalis are precisely what has created the outcry by not just environmentalists, but very many members of the public as well. It can have, you see, because mining activities will add more dust into the air, more particles will come. Already we have a very severe problem there. The Aravalis are a natural barrier against the spreading of the Thar Desert eastwards. So given all of these considerations, there are some very, very specific reasons why people are not in favor of mining in the Aravalis, but let the Supreme Court look. I mean, I am not a Supreme Court judge, I can't presume to rule on the substance.